Well, a couple of things I'm going to do today. One is I'm running my camera on external power. It's a power pack in my pocket at the minute. I might try it on the USB from the bike a bit later on. I just want to see how that goes, because I didn't think you could do that, and I was wrong. You can, and I'm now going to try it out, make sure it works all right. And part of running it off the bike will be to see if it's making crackly noises like it did on the drift from the bike. Anyway, I'll go for a nice ride on this beautiful but crisp and cool day and see how that goes. And another part of the plan is possibly to fly the drone, which I've had for some time now. I've had a couple of very brief test flights. I might find somewhere nice to put that up. So come with me and see which of the above actually happens. Alright, so that was a fairly successful run of the camera on the battery pack in my pocket. The camera said it was still fully charged when we got here after about half an hour. So now I'm going to try and run it for about a half an hour run on the bike's USB power, see how that goes. It's trundling along through Nimbin. Crams Farm, this is where I'm thinking of flying the drone. Doesn't say anything about not being allowed to. I'll just follow the rules. Check the app about nearby airfields if there are any, and not fly near any people. Right, here we are then. And stop here, see if we can put the drone up. And I'll check the batteries on the camera, see how it ran off the bike power. Alright, let's see what the camera is saying. Turn her on there. And it seems to still have a full battery. And yeah, so I've done about an hour. Half on the power pack, half on the battery power. It seems to be keeping it charged. Excellent. Looks like a good place to throw the drone up. Yes. Right, well, my first flight in earnest really. I've had a couple of practice flights, and that one was to actually do some filming, and we'll see how it came out later on. Of course, by the time I said this you would have seen it. Never mind. I'm not sure about this power coming out of here. Oh yeah, there we go. I think it's a bit dodgy. I think I need to replace this yet again, this USB output. Right, let's go. Alright, so purposes of the ride, apart from having a bloody awesome time on the bike, was to check the battery power, the camera running on external power, and have a fly of the drone. So I've got another adventure I'm going to go now, which will be a different video to go on, and at the end of that I'll just check how the battery's been working off the bike. I did have another adventure after that, but that's another story. At the end of the day, the camera was still fully charged. Thanks for watching, be safe, be happy, and hopefully catch you on the next one. Cheers!